Hey everybody, welcome back with another video. Today we'll be talking about the hardest thing I've had to do so far starting my dumpster rental business. And I'm not gonna make you wait, I'm gonna get right into it. The hardest thing I had to do to start my dumpster rental business was actually pulling the trigger, getting the gears in motion. I think with that came a lot of uncertainty. I made sure to do my research though. It was kind of a funny story. I started talking to my wife about it and say, hey, I think I want to do this. And she's like, oh, do your research and let me know. And I'm like, oh. I literally made her a PowerPoint presentation slide for slide about the cost breakdown, how much gas, how much dump fees are going to be, how much it's going to cost to make my LLC, make sure I do by the books, get a business bank account, you name it. It was probably a full week of researching before I gave that presentation, but she liked it, and here we are today. I'm so grateful for that. And the biggest thing too with me is I used to be hesitant of change. Really used to turn me off and would prevent me from doing a lot of things, but I've grown from that, and I think a lot of other people can relate to that. I thought about making my own business, not sure what I want to do, but I was like, oh, I'll do it later, next year, yada. But I've come to learn that no time is better than right now. Do it right now. After this video, I'm not even kidding. But yeah, I'm trying to stay in that mindset of taking action now. And another important thing to touch on is make sure it's something you love to do. So I'm still helping others with a dumpster rental business. And another biggest thing is whatever business or job, I didn't want to take as much of my time as other jobs. So as of right now, building up the business, not a whole lot of labor behind that. I'm dropping off the dumpster, the customer's filling it up, and then I'm hauling it away and dumping it. So not a whole lot of labor, because the whole point of this is to build something to eventually run on its own. And then, because my ultimate goal here is more time with my family and have enough coming in to where pretty much I want to travel the country, world, whatever, without worry. So take action now. No time is better than right now. Again, do your research, break it down, see what other competitors are in your area. With overall anything, whatever you're doing, doesn't have to be dumpsters, but do your research, the cost, how much you need to start up, and all that jazz. So I hope that this even helps one person. It makes me happy. But more videos to come. Thanks for watching this one. Leave a like, subscribe, lots more videos to come. So have a great day. Thank you.